How to send a silent message on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can send a silent message on Instagram, the message that will actually not give a notification to the other person, but you will be able to send that message. So let's start. Firstly, simply open up your Instagram on your phone or maybe your laptop, log into your Instagram account. Once you're here, now what you have to do is simply go to your DMs, and in your DMs you can send message to anyone. Let's say just go with this contact right here. Now what you have to do is you can simply go ahead and type in your message. Let's say hello, whatever message you want to send. So I have typed in hello. Now I'm gonna go ahead and type in at silent. There you go. And you will find this message right here which says send message without a notification. That's what we are doing right now. All you have to do is click on send, and this message is sent. And you can see right here now this person will not get a notification for this message right here, and then it will be like cool. That's how you can simply go ahead and send a message on Instagram without other person getting the notification, a silent message. So yeah guys, if I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.